If you are an investigator, evidence examiner, or a cybersecurity expert, then this is the video for you. Hello everyone, I am Sambita. Welcome back to our channel. Hope you are being cyber safe. This is the continuation of the tech series MailXaminer 5.0. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to watch the previous video of this tech series. Check the description box below for the video link and subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. So today I will discuss the cases tab of this professional email forensics tool. Here you will see how to create a case and delete or edit a case. First of all, log into the software using the default credentials. After that, you will see the Cases tab on the left panel of the tool. When you click on this tab, you will see a blue button named Create Case. Before proceeding with creating a case, make sure the software is activated. If not, then activate it by entering the activation key that you received at the time of purchase. Now, to create a case, click on the blue button and a window will pop up. Here, you can enter the case title, description and investigator name. In case you entered the wrong information, then you can edit it. To edit the case you created, first click on the checkbox. There you will find the edit case option in the top right corner of the screen. For entirely deleting the created case, you can click on the delete option from there. After creating and clicking on the case you created, it will redirect you to the dashboard screen where you can add new evidence to proceed with the email investigation process. One important note I would like to share here is that before creating a case, make sure to change the location to store indexed evidence data. Otherwise, it will be stored in the default location. That's how you can create, delete or edit cases in the software. I will see you in the next video covering how you can add custodian on the application. Till then, bye bye and be cyber safe.